So with trial and error here, you can see this plate is not straight. So I was thinking, well, maybe the door is warped or this is warped, but what it is this. You see right here, this little metal piece has to be up into that hole. So I don't know if this is going to work or not. But the deadbolt is functioning with the key, so loosen this up and see if I can push it up a little bit so it sits flat, but I don't know. This is a real pain. You would think it would go right in, but of course it doesn't. What the heck? Maybe I'll use the flathead part of my screwdriver to push that up into that area, maybe. Shoot. Maybe not. Oh my gosh. I'm not liking this. Okay, if you can see that piece right there. Now, won't it fit? I don't know. I really don't know. Do I want to take it off and start all over, matching up the screws? Oh, not if I can help it. Okay, well, I need two hands, so I'm going to try and jiggle this in and I'll pick it back up. What a pain. Okay, be right back.